Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to find audience retention in your YouTube videos using your PC. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Content. This will take you to the Content Management section of YouTube Studio. Step 3. Select a video that you want to analyze for audience retention. Step 4. Click on Details. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview of your video's performance and analytics. Step 5. Go to Analytics. Here, you can access detailed insights and metrics about your video's performance. Step 6. On the top menu, click on Engagement. This section will provide you with valuable information about audience retention. By analyzing audience retention, you can understand how well your video is holding viewers' attention and identify areas where improvements can be made. Keep an eye on the audience retention graph, which shows you the percentage of viewers who continue watching your video at each moment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.